Welcome to JuliesApron.com. We're in the kitchen today, but let's talk about gardening. Let's talk about pre-soaking beans and peas and how I do it. For this process, you will need some paper towels, Ziploc baggies or containers, and the seeds of your choice, the beans or sweet peas. So first off, we're gonna get the piece of paper towel wet. I like to use 2. That way the water will absorb it better and it won't rip accidentally. Once you have wet the paper towel, it should be moist like this, but not dripping of water. Lay it down and then add some beans. I don't add too many because I only need about 6 plants for my garden, but you also want to add enough that if some don't sprout, you have extras. Once your beans are in the middle of your paper towel, just fold it up like a little envelope. Once your beans are folded in there, open up your bag and place the beans with the wet paper towel inside. On the outside, just make sure to take note of which ones are in the bag. Once your paper towel and seeds are inside the paper towel and the baggie, don't seal the bag, just leave it kind of open and place it like that. Place it like that in a safe place. If you come and check on it and notice the paper towel is getting dry a little, just add a few more drops of water on top of the paper towel inside. Welcome back. It's been about 4 days and our 2 varieties of beans and peas have sprouted. So I wanted to show you what they look like once they sprouted. So let me show you what they look like once they have sprouted. So here we have our peas and you can see the little root sticking out of them that has sprouted. This one even has 2 of them. This is green beans with a sprout, and this is the yellow string bean variety. All of them have a little root growing out of them. Once your soil is fluffed and you have marked off where you need to plant your seeds, place the pea with the root on it directly into the soil. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and check out our other gardening and recipe videos.